Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize motion array assets in After Effects projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your After Effects project. Ensure you have a motion array account and are logged in. Visit the motion array website to find the assets you want to use. Download the desired asset from the motion array library. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. Unzip the file if it is in a compressed format. Open Adobe After Effects. In After Effects, go to the top menu and select File. From the drop-down, choose Import, then click on File. Select the asset and click Open. The asset will be imported into your Projects panel. Drag the imported asset onto your timeline. If the asset requires additional authorization, a prompt will appear. Follow the instructions provided in the prompt to authorize the asset. You may need to enter your motion array account credentials. Once authorized, the asset will become fully functional in your project. Make any necessary adjustments to the asset as per your project requirements. Preview the timeline to ensure everything is working smoothly. If any errors occur, revisit the authorization prompt for troubleshooting steps. Continue editing your project as needed, integrating the motion array assets effectively. Remember to save your project periodically to avoid losing your work. Once you are satisfied, proceed with rendering or exporting your final project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.